Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to teach how to add a new product category and 3 products. So first we need to click on the category and then we need to add new category. In the name we need to put, for example, electronic, and then in the discussion we can put Apple is a nice product. And then when we put the discussion, we need to click save. For the next, we need to add the product for the category. So for now, we need to click product. In the product menu, we need to click new product. So in here, we need to upload for our image. So let's find our image like iPad. After you click add the image, we need to add the category like here. So we need to find the electronic. And then after we need to put the description for the iPad. iPad is a nice portable computer device developed by Apple, and size is 11-inch. After we put the discussion, so we need to click on the pricing, like Apple sell like 800, so we need to put 800. And then after that, we need to click shipping, and then click 10, and the height is maybe just 4, and then deep is 7, and the weight is, we can put it 10. This is the information about the product. And then in the quantity, we put like how many iPad we have. We can put it 200, and then the minimum quantity for sale is 10 for each. For the storage location, we can put whatever. And then we put the product name iPad. So now we already add the product in the category. So now we can check the product. Let's check in the product. As you can see, we already put the iPad in here, and we need to active for the product. So click on this one. See, those products are shown on the screen. Thanks.